I'm pretty confused about the way things are these days. Um, there's the tree. My favorite tree. Every time I see that tree, I just think, man, what a beautiful thing God created. This just natural, no technology, no nothing. Just this beautiful thing. Anyway, I just feel like my life is hard in ways that I don't really understand why. Like, I think it was only a few hundred years ago when everybody was just living off the land, like farming, doing, weaving and, raising sheep for wool and cows and making cheese and wine. You know, everyone kind of was in this sort of doing natural kind of things, and obviously we had technology, but like it's limited enough that we were very connected still to the natural cycles of things. And now, sort of wanting to get back to that feels like you're going against something, and like it's very hard. It's very, very hard. And I don't want to fight anyone, and I'm not trying to like push some kind of ideology or an agenda or anything. Like, I'm just wondering, like, why is this so hard? Like, why is it so complicated? And I feel quite foolish. I feel very foolish. I feel like something must be wrong with my brain because this doesn't seem to make sense. Something feels very broken. And I mean, like, clearly my mind is not made for this. Like, I feel quite dumb. And, but I'm sort of digging in the earth and sort of trying to find that natural something, connect, grow stuff.